Hello, Susan Zumo here, intuitive and originator of soul patterning harmonics. As a person, I like to start new projects, learn new things, and move forward in life. I can become impatient with myself and others at times. This week, I asked the Galactics when enough people were going to wake up, become aware of their innate abilities, and the power to create the new earth so we could all move forward through the ascension process. Here's what they said to me. The world is indeed becoming more and more aware. Humanity is expanding its worldview and what can be possible by releasing fear and embracing love. The misconception for yourself and others is that once awake to new information and possibilities, you will immediately begin living differently. And while this is indeed possible for those who have gained the wisdom of past experiences, that is not the case for the vast majority of humanity. The ascension process that you are going through at this time is no different than any other cycle you've experienced. In the past, you've completed phases of life, the ending of marriages and relationships, and allowing new friendships to bloom. Caring for your children from infancy to adulthood gave way to stepping back and releasing them to raise their own. Careers, homes, and even your physical body have had ending of cycles. Humanity is experiencing the ending of a grand cycle right now. Some believe it is taking too long to move into the beginnings of the new earth because the controllers in negative frequency are too powerful. That is not the case. The controllers, those in low negative frequency, are also aware of the great shift. And through fear and greed, they resist with great focus and intention. They are joined by those who are also in fear of letting go and moving forward into the unknown. Those waking up are being asked to release their fears and move into the fullness of their light body to assist in creating the new earth. They must learn to go within and from the heart trust their own connection to Creator Source in co-creating their life and the world around them. For those taught over millennia to only trust what someone else tells them to do, they wait for someone to tell them what to do. At the same time, they cling to the stability of the past and wish for everything to go back the way it was, just a nicer version. You and everyone living in between the ending of the old and the crystallization of the new must now rest. And if you have not already done so, take the time to mourn the loss of the old known way of life. Relax and go within to grieve over a world that no longer exists, just as you did when you left one home for another or outgrew one career to start anew. Humanity has never ascended before, and the unknown can bring anxiety if there is no trust in oneself and Creator Source. Come to a place of peace within self. Come to a place of relaxation with respect to the passing that has taken place. Understand that Creator Source is the provider and the ultimate resource, not politicians and leaders or the experts requiring blind obedience to their truth. Go into the heart. Connect with all aspects of self in need of healing and love. Call your soul family, unseen assistants, and higher aspects of self to love and support you. Rushing from ending to beginning robs you of the opportunity to fully close a chapter and move into the next, unfettered by loss and the emotion that those losses generate. Replace the desire to go back with the knowledge and hope of a fantastic new beginning and new future. Know that it is going to be even better than okay, and it will be. We cannot rush humanity through its grieving process, but we can assure you that when enough of your collective have completed their rest period of mourning and begin to embrace their true selves, events will move quickly and harmlessly. For those already ahead of the curve, continue to speak your truth. Encourage the ones seeking you out for healing and methods to expand their love and light body. Continue to live your purpose and know that you are truly the midwives of the new age. It's coming. It is here and cannot be stopped, for it has already been agreed upon and written into the Akashic record of all, including your beloved Earth. Well, that's what they had to say, and I appreciated hearing it, and I hope you do too. If you find these videos beneficial, I ask you to share them with others so that they can learn and grow as well. Until next time, I wish you many, many blessings.